Okay, so I've been trying to print out this crossbow magazine at the moment. Printed it out in 2 parts because my printer's not big enough. And what happened is, it just keeps bending because I got a Flashforge MakerBot. The bed's not heated; it just has to be glued. So what I've done to not have these parts warped is I've had to build like like all these supports here, so it builds vertical. Yeah, because when it's when I'm building something like at 20% infill or up there, like 20%, 50% up, you know, on the heavier side of things, on the denser side of things, it just peels up, like no matter what. I've had heaps of glue, I've had like just the right amount of glue, I've had like bugger all glue, I've completely cleaned the bed, tried to get it done, put in rafts. It just, yeah, it doesn't happen. I found this is the best way to do it because this is the first time me printing this way, and yeah, so far she's coming out pretty sweet, almost done. Because yeah, I tried making this sling. This where can you see the bed? Yeah, this sling shooter, and yeah, you can see the bend just here. This part's garbage now because it just won't work. So yeah, if you want to, that's my advice to you. If you want to build things and make sure they don't come out warped, build a bridge like this. Cheers.